Good morning. We have a weird weather here in Arizona right now. Look at that, guys. Weirdo. Weird. Oh. You can see the cloud. Ay nako, magkakaroon tayo ng rain. Oh my gosh. Uulan sa Arizona. Uulan na naman. Oh my gulay. Okay lang yan. We need rain.
A few moments later.
So, hello guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Chris Life USA. So, ngayon nga guys ay meron na naman tayong panibagong video. And ang video ang ating gagawin guys ay dito sa bahay. Oh my gosh. So, dahil malapit na po kaming umalis at papuntang Pilipinas, kaya ang aking friends ay nag-request na dito naman daw kami sa bahay mag kain-kainan, magyap-yapan, magchika-chika. So, yan. So, pinagbigyan ko na kasi malapit na nga rin naman kaming umalis. So, kaya pupunta sila ngayon. So, ako ay nag-ready na. So, Korean barbecue kami ngayon, tsaka shabu-shabu. So, walang sharon-sharon. Kasi they're bringing what they eat. So, they're bringing meats and stuff, yung gulay and soup. So, kaya, mamaya-maya pang dating ng mga friends. Kaya, unahan ko nang dito habang wala pa sila. Mag-video-video na muna ako dito. So, oh my God, I worked so hard today, guys. Just to set up this. Oh my gosh. Woo! So, yeah. Alright. So, antabayanan, hihintayin lang natin ang aking mga friend na dito, pumunta. So, kaya yan. Nire-ready ko na din yung mga stuff na gagamitin namin. Katulad niyan. Yan. Alright. So, fall season theme tayo ngayon. Kaya, ayan. Kasi malamig na dito, guys. Hindi na dito mainit sa Arizona. Oh, diba? Alright, antabayanan. Guys, nag-start na ang ating ang ating shabu-shabu at saka tawag dito, Korean barbecue. What are you looking for? I know, but alright guys, our soup is ready. And we have official chef in the house, which is Vincent. Alright. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. He has some grill. Yeah. He said he's going to bring his grill. He just lived down the line. So he's gonna be because this one takes a long time. Yeah. Yeah. See? And Benzie is Chris Life USA. Today
today is another day. Premiering now, Chris Life USA. Seek and I seek it by but nah. Chris Life USA, support the Hanka. Chris Life USA. Ay, 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 don't be away. Chris Life USA is here to stay. Downgrade beat now. Chris Life USA premiere now.
Alright,
Hit like button now,
welcome.
subscribe now. Chris Life USA premiere now. Hoy 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 magstay ka. Chris Life USA premiere now. Salamat sa inyong suporta.
I was gonna put that.
Chris Life USA.
Kain na, Day.
Ay, don't be away.
Right, guys.
Chris Life USA is here to stay. Chris Life USA. Come on, Matt play. Let's go. Chris Life is here to complete your day.
Alright.
Today is another day.
Okay.
Premiering now, Chris Life USA. See, get back gambled now. Chris Life USA, support the Hanukkah. Chris Life USA. Hey, don't be away. Chris Life USA. It's here to
Sayang!
stay.
Dali! Sa vlog mo!
Someday,
Sayang sa vlog!
Chris Life USA premiere na. Tusok, huwag kalimutan ha. Hit like button at mag-subscribe na. Chris Life USA premiere na. Hoy, mag-stay ka. Chris Life USA premiere na. Salamat sa inyong suporta. Chris Life USA.
The dancing cop! The dancing cop! Ang basta sa mga kanta, oy!
This is good now. Dancing. I think it's good now.
Gago na sila eh.
Dati layer, miss na oh. Good luck mamaya.
Oo.
Madidiligan sa mamaya.
Guys, nagkakasayahan pa rin kami rito. Oh, nag-stop ng ating music. Kain ng kain lang dyan. Oh, ayan. Nag-stop na kami na aming... Hi! Alright. Ayan. Okay, sige. Right, oh, ayan. Oh. Tapos na kami mag-ano, guys. Dahil pa naming gulay, oh. Tapos na kaming mag-ihaw at magluto. Loto. Ayan. Dami pa naming ano natira. Yan. Ha? Oh, sige, sana ko day. Yan.
Akala ko mag-sharon kayo, kaya umilit-bit namin. Oh my God. Homeless needing hotel to
Ah? Guys, ang aking mga bisita, lumayas na. Oy, oy.
Kita mo yung ano ko. Ano? Sharon ko.
Oo, ang Sharon mo. Ay, gago nga yan. Gago. Bakit sinyaron mo yan?
Naubusan ng pagkain. So, ito na lang Sharon ko.
Huwag mong dalhin yan, gato.
Sana hindi ko pwede magdita.
Kaya naman ito, Dal.
Kaya naman yan. Bye-bye. Thank you. Itong ilaw dahil pwede na Sharon.
Walang hiya. Lata lagi, Sharon. Hoy, Dai Bensi, thank you so much, ha? For
Thank you
helping
for
her.
inviting.
Yeah, thank you, ha?
Thank you. We see you.
Yeah. Bye, guys.